Alright, we are doing a video camera inspection for Don and Mahori Belden Jr., 2060 East Amhurst Avenue, Denver, Colorado, 80210. I am accessing the mainline sewer from a cleanout located in their laundry room on the back side of their basement. Previous technician said we have had issues. This camera inspection should determine whether or not we should do a sewer line replacement or more jetting. Here's some massive root intrusion. There's a gigantic ball. Looks like we're underwater. Root intrusion almost at every joint. Still holding water in some parts. Looks like there's a belly back there. So this looks like a belly, causing some water to build up. Another massive root intrusion. Past those roots, still holding water, couple inches in parts of it. Another root intrusion. Every joint so far. Ooh. Oh man, that looks like pretty bad. I think that's a break. This is as far as I can go. Won't let me pass that break. Root intrusion above. Recommend to customer getting a pipe burst. Alright, end of video.